This is Project Steamboat, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Steamboat is painted in full gloss Yulon white with silver accents all round. Steamboat sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a classic front bumper, E.C.D custom silver metal steering guard, front runner roof rack, 4 LED round lights up front and 1 at the rear. Inside, Project Steamboat features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with auto cross gauges, 2 Corbeau trail cap front and mid-row seats. The load area features our custom American oak wood with a teak finish. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Lamborghini Napa Nero leather stitched together in smoke. This 110 is powered by our 450 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. Project Steamboat also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.